Today, we'll walk through how to create and manage technician workloads. Hi, I'm Simon, the System Administrator. Today, we will show you how to set the workload limit across your facilities and manage the workload. In this guide, I will show you how to set the workload threshold for facilities. Then Fadi will assign work to technicians based on their workload. In this section, we will see how admins can set the technician workload threshold. I'll start by going to the main menu. From the main menu, I select Application Settings in the Admin section. In this section, I will review the Workload Limit Application setting, which is a global setting affecting all technicians within the system. To establish this limit, I input the maximum number of tasks a technician should handle simultaneously. Note that this workload threshold only takes effect when assigning a technician to a work order or inspection. Once I set the workload threshold number, I'll click Save. It's important to note that this threshold serves as a warning rather than a strict limit.
Hello, Fadi here. I'm going to guide you on how to manage workloads effectively when assigning tasks. You'll also learn where to access a comprehensive breakdown of all tasks assigned to technicians at a location. Today, I will begin by assigning a work order. To do this, I simply click on Work Orders in the main menu. Then I select the work order that needs to be assigned. In the Assignee dropdown, I select the technician responsible for the work order. Next to each name, I can see the number of tasks currently assigned to that technician. If I choose a technician who has reached or exceeded their workload threshold, I'll receive a warning suggesting I consider reassigning the work order. I then select an assignee who meets the specific workload requirements to ensure an equitable distribution of tasks among my technicians. Now that I have assigned my technician, I want to view the list of assigned tasks. To view the assigned tasks for all technicians, I start by selecting My Premises from the main menu. From the My Premises section, I select the desired premises. To view the workload breakdown at this premises, I click the Workload tab. In the Workload section, I can view a comprehensive breakdown of assigned tasks. And that's it! You've seen just how simple it is to set thresholds, assign tasks, and monitor work assignments in Nakisa Facility Management.